Hello. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about Git branches. What is a branch? In a few words, a branch is an independent line of development. Let me give you a real-world example. Imagine that your company works on a website project. You have a repo created for this project, and it already has a bunch of commits. At some point, you, as a developer, decide that the website header can be improved. You come up to your project manager and offer to implement your ideas. He says, "Sure, let's do it, but make sure you don't touch the existing live version of the site. Show it to me when you're done, and if all looks good, we'll put it to the live site." And this is where Git branches come in. What you do is that you create your own line of development. What does it mean? It means that you take this state of the repo as your starting point, and you start to add your commits to it. At the same time, another developer continues work on the main branch. As you can see, there are two independent lines of development. When I say independent, I mean that this branch doesn't include commits from that branch, and vice versa. At some point, you finish your work on the header and you show it to your manager. He says, "Dude, that's awesome, let's take this baby live." And now, we want to combine your changes with the changes made by another developer in the main branch. In Git, the main branch is usually called master. Just try to imagine when you are in this sort of situation and you don't use Git. To combine those changes, you need to understand which files were modified by another developer. Basically, you'll need to compare all files line by line. And what if you have 100 files? It's definitely not the best way to waste your time. But because we are smart and we use Git, we just need to merge our branches. And Git will put all changes from these branches together. So at this point, we have a new website header, and we have all these changes combined together. And that's just a simple example of using branches. Just to summarize what you can do with branches. You can create as many branches as you want, you can instantly switch between branches, and you can merge branches together. In the next lesson, I'll show you the specific commands for performing all these actions. Stay tuned.